Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be installing my LASFIT 32-inch light bar, but I'm not going to be doing any of the wiring or anything. I wanted to, but I'm actually going to be getting the switch panel, and I need this all installed by Friday. Actually, Friday afternoon. So I'm going to be installing this, and I'll show you a little bit on what is needed. Okay. So I'm thinking it's only these, since I know the plastic piece I used to have was here, so it really kind of just looks like it's here. I'm really just trying to find where it's like actually connecting. It's like obviously this is the walkway. So let's just get all those off. Okay, so that's fine, I think. What else? I don't think I need to take this off, but I don't connect anything. Can I connect anything? So as I'm still even just trying to figure it out, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have the ones in here as well. Then after that, we got to get to the bottom. So I got most of the screws off, but not really sure if there's anything else that's connected to it. Like while doing this, like the Evo, I literally had 2 screws and 2 zip ties. This has like 30 screws that I need to take out of it. So no wonder it's so like on there. Okay, let me see what else I gotta do. So one thing I forgot, there's actually gonna be 3 screws that go right up here, right under the light right here. So now we're about that many screws in. All right, so about after 2 hours, I finally got this put on, the front bumper put off. This was so much harder than I thought it was going to be because of the amount of clips and screws is mind-blowing. So my phone's about to die, and so I will show you guys how this looks when it's done, because I don't have enough battery. So here. All right, so this is actually day 2 of taking off the bumper and trying to install my LASFIT LED bar. The first day, it took me a while to figure out where all the bolts were, but I figured it out. So definitely the second time was so much easier, especially because I already broke off a bunch of clips that now need to be replaced. Went over to my friend Andrew's house, and he helped me cut everything that needed to be cut to fit the brackets and the light bar on. My phone died, so I wasn't able to film everything, but what I'm planning on doing once I get my switch panel, I can kind of do another install video, but also go over what we needed to do to get the light bar to be fixed. It was a pretty simple, straightforward install, but doing it for your first time, like anything, is kind of a headache in learning what to do and how to do it. But now I can take this bumper off within 5 minutes, even though it's like 60 screws. But yeah, I'm really stoked on how it came out. I will post a video later on once it's connected and you can really see how bright it is. But for right now, all you get is a photo at the end of this of it installed. So I hope you like it. I like it. Sick. Bye.